What's going on, guys? How y'all doing? Yeah. Boys are outside waiting for me. We are going to Driftmotion. I think we are, or we're just fucking around and going to the mall. But yeah, we're going right now, and let's see what we do today because I don't know what the fuck we do. We don't do shit. Hey, cut.
Boy sticker on my skateboard, bro.
Oh, you did it? Let me see it. We ain't skating, bro.
Pop the trunk, bro.
Fuck no, my toes are fucked.
Keep it, bro. It's in the trunk.
Man, let me see. Okay. All right. That's what's up.
Josh, you ain't down to just film us and make an edit just of skating? No,
it's not even good.
Fuck you. I'm not even going.
Get the fuck in the car.
You fucking shut the fuck up, you hairy fuck.
You're just mad you can't grow in here.
Come on.
Where are we going?
Get in the car.
We're not going skating. Why is this board in the fucking trunk?
We're going.
Because this nigga skated to Dallas's.
He did not.
His Honda's broken.
Bullshit.
To fucking Driftmotion and shit. Come on.
Get in the car.
Oh, we had Driftmotion. Holy shit.
Water pump installed for 1J BBTO.
1J BBTO? I don't have any 1J BBTO water pumps. Those are only like jig and only.
Really?
Yeah. Because what you usually do is convert it over to 2J ZGT, but then you just need to change the water pump fully. Okay. Yeah. So that's what you would do on that case. The difference is the bolt circle for the pulley is smaller, no BBTO.
So you just have the 2J and then you just swap the pulley out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's what you need to do.
Yeah, for sure. I'll just, you could give me one of those and then you have them installed?
Yeah.
Alright, and then,
Saw this shit on Toyota Fest last year.
Damn.
It's 4 bucket seats.
You're not about that, eh, Cass? Damn, even the inside looks nicer than all our cars. Deadass, come look at this shit.
Is it gonna be in the vlog or what?
Oh yeah, it's a fucking taxi too. Zestino.
Only half of it.
Yeah, it'll be done.
Yo.
Yeah, it's a 1.5J.
I saw this at Toyota Fest last year.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, you saw it already. Then.
Yeah, I
All right,
saw
cool.
it. She's clean though, bro.
Not much has changed since.
Yeah, not a whole lot. But the we're doing the fuel system. Well, that's not plumbed in either, but get the idea.
Damn, look at this. Hell yeah.
So I'm just trying to get it all put back together. It just really needs plumbing and wiring all the drivetrains in and.
Oh yeah, the trannies in since too.
Trannies in, drive shafts in.
It's clean, bro.
Suspension's all down.
Holy shit, look how big the exhaust. It's like my head.
Jesus Christ.
Damn. It's clean, dude. This thing is insane. That's the water pump.
Shocker.
Got an oil cap. Yeah, this shit feels like quality shit, bro. And the oil. Hell yeah. He is holding $450 worth of shit. And a mini box, bro. Oh, look at these slumped ass fools. slumped. So Dallas is taking out the whole oil. Where is it? Oh, it's on this side.
I don't know all that.
Well, you wouldn't do the machine work, you just tear it down and have the machine work down.
But I don't know, like...
It's taking out this whole entire part of the oil. Because you got a sandwich oil thingy mabobber. I don't know, you gotta talk to him about that.
You could teach me.
So, yeah. It's about a little leak right now. That's what's up.
Really?
This shit about to leak. That's the only bolt, right?
Hopefully, I haven't really checked. But I watched that video.
Was that 8?
They don't make those manuals anymore, really.
What kind of lens is that, Josh? An 11?
I don't even fucking know. 16 or like the zoom. Oh, that's a big bolt. I think there's something else connected to it, honestly. No?
Oh, nope.
Oh, get the rag. Where the rag?
No, it's cool, it's cool. Oh,
It's
wait,
good?
no, it's not cool.
Get the rag.
Oh, it's
Right,
not that bad.
it's on the
not
side.
that bad.
Yeah, see, it's not bad.
Because as long as I keep the oil filter like that.
Oh, unless you flip it upside down,
Yeah.
you're fucked.
Yeah. Yeah, let's keep it like this.
Yeah.
Right now. Right now, pitch it.
All right, cool. Now pull that bitch.
I gotta
I get to take out the
coolant might leak out. No.
shit hinges all over us.
This one. Dang, I need a needle nose for that.
Is that bobble?
Ooh, there's one.
So the 1JZ is made by Yamaha or what? Is
You
that what
know.
that's about?
Yep.
Careful with that shit. Pour it out. Oh yeah, that would have been bad.
How come you took the whole thing off?
Cause he got like a sandwich piece, so he could run straight from the oil cooler or some shit like that.
Oh, he's gonna relocate
Yeah.
the oil filter.
Well,
No.
no, it's just like it's complicated. You're explain.
Alright, so what it is a sandwich plate for, it has like a thermostat inside and for the oil cooler. So it knows when it gets like a certain temperature, it'll start feeding oil through the oil cooler. So it starts to cool it. And then it's a sandwich plate that goes in between the oil filter.
It'll defer oil to the oil cooler.
Because you were talking about putting that piece on it so you could change your oil filter up here and not way down there.
No, he changed.
Oh
his
yeah,
mind on
yeah,
that.
I was going to, but
You got a boof ass one.
yeah, the things that oh god.
There's still coolant in it.
Yeah, the ones they gave me, I didn't like the way they looked. I was like, eh.
Alright. So Dallas got it on. What is that called, Dallas?
This is a sandwich plate for the oil cooler,
And
and it has a thermostat in it. So when it gets to a certain temperature, it'll run oil through the cooler, so it's not constantly pushing oil through the cooler.
and then the oil filter goes right here, right?
Yeah.
Right on top. Instead of that boof ass one you got. The homie Calvin showed up. Yo, do you have a light out here? What? Hey, turn that shit on. Yo, your fucking fog light is fucked, homie. It fell out.
Damn, what the hell?
Bro, I was like, what the hell is that? Is that a random light?
Dude, 350Z owner, fucking rear bumper fucking broke off and that shit flew.
Oh,
I was
really?
like, oh shit. And
Just
then-
now? Is that why it's all
Yeah, that's why I
fucked?
probably broke off. Dude, half his shit fucking hit me, dude.
Oh my god. Yo, that's lit.
That's tight. Fuck is he turned up?
What up, bro?
What up?
Hey, you got your tires ready? Just in case.
Again? No, these are the real ones.
No free mounts this time.
Yo, where'd you get this wing? Dude, this wing is dope.
Who made the wing? Is it
I don't know who made the wing.
No, dude.
But yeah, if you guys didn't see Calvin on the Super D vlog, this is the gay boy. He's back. Shit's clean now. He got a wing this time.
Maybe.
What wing is that?
It's off of an Evo 8 and 9.
Oh, no wonder.
Dude,
It's like fits perfect, bro. Barely.
Both sides barely fit.
That fitment's fucking
No.
tight.
You wanna know about fitment? I'll show you what's fitment.
It fucking fits perfectly, huh?
Look at where these bolts sit when I close.
Oh my god, what?
Boy. I was like, you talking about fitment games? What about fucking bolts fitments, dude? It's hella close.
Oh yeah, this shit's so clean, bro. Love this car. Next, bro. Well, what's wrong with the wagon, bro?
This is the second time, dude. He brings it daily and it comes. Dude, it takes me an hour and a half to get here.
I had it.
And all I want to see is the other car. Guess who brings this shit again?
Hey, you saw this one at Super D, bro.
I already saw it.
I know.
I didn't see the other one.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
But not on the road.
I haven't seen it outside.
Yeah, you're right. That thing.
Have you ever seen it?
Yeah, yeah.
I was gonna check it out.
Bro, we had it. You should have came earlier, bro.
Okay, dude. How about you driving me next time? Then you tell me.
You're right.
That happens pretty far, man.
Same with these fools. These fools took forever.
I know that.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Back at the house. Yeah, it was a pretty chill night with all the homies. Except it was funny because Calvin's wheel almost flew the fuck off. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But I just wanted to talk about my interior real quick. I had this interior for a long time. Well, not talking about like the steering wheel and the shift knob. Of course I'm gonna have this interior. But I was thinking about getting rid of the moon eyes and probably do a different color scheme inside this car because I don't know, I had this steering wheel for so long and I was deciding to go like a different way, you know, like a new look. I do have a Nardi steering wheel I kind of want to put on, but it's kind of fucked off. The wheel is like really used like pretty bad, and I have another like shift knob. I was thinking about like going more of like a racing, more racy like look, like probably Nardi steering wheel, or I'm thinking about like a grip royal and then something simple for the shift knob, like something black. I have this one shift knob I want to show you guys real quick. Don't mind all of my spanner wrenches for my coils. Oh shit. Cigarette lighter. My regular shift knob I got off my other IS. Here it is. Oh, like the OG. Always gotta keep the stock one, bro. Always. But yeah. This shift knob. I've had this shift knob for a very long time, and I never really used it. Check it out. This is the D&D Samurai Sword shift knob. It's pretty sick, actually. It goes well with the car too, but I don't know. I really didn't see like D&D right there. But I didn't really like how high it sits up. I mean, it's cool and all, but I don't know. Let me show you guys how it looks. Well, there it is. This shit's long as fuck. That's pretty tight though. It's actually pretty cool. But I need a new steering wheel, that's for sure. Well, it doesn't really match. But that's pretty cool. But then again, I don't know. But let me know in the comments below if I should go with like a different interior, since I've had it for like 4 years on all my ISs. And yeah, I just wanted a different look, since I changed the entire look for the car anyways. But the D&D sword isn't that bad, but it is kind of long, and I usually like comfortable setups. And this one's kind of like so much going on, but I actually like it, you know. But I'll show you guys the Nardi wheel I have. It's pretty intense. Did I say intense? I meant really shitty. RIP to my OMP wheel on my other MR2. Oh god. The horn's in there, but here's my shitty Nardi steering wheel. It's actually ripped up here, so look, that ghetto electrical tape. I think this is a 360 or 350, I don't know, but it's way bigger, and I don't really like big steering wheels. I'm trying to zoom out for you guys. I don't know. It'll look really good. That would be pretty nice. I could take it off and see how it looks, but I am pretty lazy. Maybe another night or day, but it is messed up, that's for sure. But I don't know. I'm just gonna leave the D&D sword shift knob there, because the shift knob I had there before, it's not a Moon Eyes, it's actually a 6-speed, S-I-C-K speed shift knob. Mostly, I think that brand's mostly for like Hondas and stuff, but it was a pretty cool shift knob at the time, and yeah, I got it. But if you guys could, down in the comments below, let me know what steering wheel I should run. That'll probably be the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I just hit 1,300 subscribers. Thanks to you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for supporting me, guys. And don't forget to pick up your rear windshield decals. I am actually out of chrome. I'm probably gonna be making gold chrome instead, but that's actually pretty good for you guys. But anyways, thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.